He sat by the sea, the king of Israel, and the crowds pressed so tightly that he stepped into a boat to speak. The wind carried his voice across the water as he revealed a story that was more than a story, a diagnosis of a nation's heart. The sower went forth to sow, and every seed that fell carried the same power, the same truth, the same kingdom call. But the soil told the real story. Some seed fell by the wayside, where the ground was hard and untouched. The birds came quickly, stealing what never had a chance to take root. So it was with many in Israel, hearing the word of the kingdom, yet unmoved, untouched, unbroken. The king stood before them, but their hearts were stone paths where truth could not enter. Other seed fell on stony ground, where a thin layer of soil hid the rock beneath. It sprang up quickly, full of excitement, full of promise, but the sun exposed what the soil concealed. With no depth, no root, no endurance, it withered away. So it was with those who rejoiced at his miracles but stumbled at his message, unable to follow a king who demanded the heart. Some seed fell among thorns, where life was already crowded. The word grew, but so did everything else. The cares, the riches, the demands of a world that would not bow. And the thorns choked the life that could have been. So it was with those who wanted the kingdom, but not the king, the blessing, but not the surrender. But some seed fell on good ground, soil broken, open, ready. It received the word, understood it, guarded it, and bore fruit beyond measure. This was the remnant within Israel, the ones who saw the king, heard his voice, and followed him even when the nation turned away. In them, the kingdom found a foothold, even as the nation resisted. And when the disciples asked why he spoke in parables, he revealed the turning point. To them it was given to know the mysteries of the kingdom, but to the nation blinded by unbelief, the stories became judgment. The kingdom was being offered, but the hearts of the people were revealing why it could not yet come. The sower's story was not just a parable, it was prophecy unfolding in real time. And when Israel's rejection reached its fullness, the king would rise, ascend, and from heaven reveal a new secret, a mystery hidden from ages and generations. The sower would sow again, but now the seed would be the gospel of grace, and the field would be the world. No longer a national calling, but a body formed from Jew and Gentile alike. The principle remained, but the program changed. The soil still mattered, but the message was new. So the parable of the sower stands as a hinge between two ages, the kingdom offered and the mystery prepared. It reveals why the kingdom paused, why the mystery was unveiled, and why the word still searches for good ground today. For the sower still sows, the seed still carries power, and the harvest still waits for hearts that will receive the King. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.